You might want to keep watching so I can show you how to achieve these beautiful flawless coils looking like this. So make sure you watch this video to the end, as I'll be showing you the step-by-step process and every little thing you need to know for a perfect one coil. Let's get into it. So first we are going to blow dry our hair, which is a very important step when it comes to coiling or straightening your hair. So first I'm going to section my hair and I'm going to comb it out to tangle it. Then I'll clip the upper part and we begin working in sections, which is very important as well during this blow drying process. So I'm going to section my hair and I'm going to clip the second section as well, and I'm going to start working with our first section. So I'm going to apply my hair mousse and I'm going to brush it out. Make sure you brush it out, brush and detangle it. And I'm going to go to our next section. I'm going to do the same thing, and then I'm going to brush it out as well. So guys, in case you need a detailed video on how to blow dry your hair, make sure you check out the link in the description. So now we're going to get into the blow drying process, and I'm just going to speed this up because I already have a detailed video on how to properly blow dry your hair for the best coiling results, for the best straightening results, and just everything. Blow drying your hair makes a whole lot of difference. It makes your coils more smoother and it makes your straight hair to be more shiny when you're steam podding it or straightening it. So here's what our hair is looking like after you're done. It's perfect, right? You could work it like this, but we don't do boring hair over here. So now we're going to get into the coiling process once we're done with our blow drying. So now let's get into our coiling process. So again, we are going to section our hair, and then I'm going to apply my heat protectant spray. So at this step, you could apply a heat protectant spray and also apply a holding spray as well, which is optional but provides more hold. Then you're going to get your coiling one. I am just going to wrap the hair around it, and I sincerely apologize for this catastrophe I did here. I didn't notice my hand was literally blocking the whole process. But you're just going to wrap your hair around the coiling one, as you can see. So I'm going to speed this up so I don't waste a lot of your time. And this coiling one was so hot, so I'm going to recommend you get gloves that you can use to protect your hands when using hot equipment in this field. So I'm going to clip it down because I just want it to last longer. Then I'm going to apply my holding spray, which is actually optional. You could do this when you're done with the hair. So here is a second coil, and as you can see, you're just going to basically take the hair and wrap it around your one coil. It's very easy, and then you pin it down for extra hold. Then I'm going to repeat the same process all over the hair. So that's basically it. So here is our hair halfway done. As you can see, we're making process. It's a very tedious job, but the result is completely worth it. So stay tuned. So let's get into it. I'm going to speed this up because I know besties, you have a lot to do and you need this tutorial to do your hair. So let's get into it. So basically, you section your hair into tiny little sections, and then you wrap around your one coil and you move to the next. You section your hair, you wrap, you move to the next. So we are just doing basically the same thing on repeat. So if you have any questions, make sure you let me know in the comment section, and I promise I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible, because you know guys, I got you. So here's what our hair is looking like after coiling it. Sorry about that. As you can see, it's not an easy job. It's really tedious and it takes a lot of time. So here is it. So we are going to take this down after some hours. I think it's okay, so I'm going to take it down now. So what I do is I take my clips off each hair, and when you're doing this you can actually spray your holding spray as well, but I didn't do these things. I already applied my holding spray when coiling the hair and I'm done with the takedown process. So now we are going to spray our heat protectant spray to the areas where I will be using my hot comb to just slick it down and give it that perfect finish. So you're going to take your hot comb and you're going to try as much as possible to be gentle. The reason I'm so gentle with this hair is because I wasn't planning on combing out the coils. I actually wanted this look with the coils popping. So you could go ahead to comb this out, and if you have done a great job, you do not have to worry about your coils getting straight out or anything like that. It's going to hold, trust me, if you followed my steps and made sure you use the tips I told you. And I hope you can still remember the tips I gave to you at the beginning of the video. First, you're going to have to blow dry your hair, and hair mousse is your best friend when dealing with this. So blow dry your hair, as it's a very essential step when coiling or straightening your hair. It's going to make your coils very smooth. As you can see, no flyaways. So now that I'm done with my hot comb, I'm going to apply my holding spray, and here's what our hair is looking like so far. So like I said, you can go ahead to comb it out, or you can let it be like this for some time before you comb it out eventually. So I actually love this look, so I just let this look. So yeah guys, we're done. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned a lot from this video, and I hope you're going to be trying this out and coming out with beautiful, amazing results. So just make sure you coil your hair in tiny little sections, and then you let it sit for some time, and then you unravel. You could wait for 8 seconds, you could wait for 2 hours, depending on your schedule, depending on when you want to use the hair. You could also do this maybe a previous day, and then you take out your pins the following day when you're going out for your occasion, or you're just going for an outing. So it's completely optional how long you let these coils sit before you're taking them out, and it's also optional if you comb your coils out or you just rock them like this. So guys, thanks very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Make sure you turn on the notification, as I'm going to be posting more amazing tutorials and step by step for you to watch. Bye.